Hey, this morning we're going to talk about wood. So specifically, we want to talk about the type of plywood that we put into our trailers and our vans. We have moved into some ultralight plywood. The nice thing about the stuff that we've been sourcing over what we used to get is this is a 9-ply ultralight. So it's a super strong ultralight plywood. Right here we have classic Baltic birch, and then this is our ultralight. Can't really tell much of a difference except for when it comes to weight. We've got a shop scale right here. We threw these guys on the shop scale. This came in at 83 pounds for a sheet of Baltic birch. Our ultralight ply came in at 48 pounds. So if you're averaging maybe 10-12 sheets for a van build, you're saving just under 400 pounds. And that's just a waste, just goes into your gas tank, just takes up your payload capacity and starts, taking that away from what you can keep building and putting into the van. So one of the things to even add more strength to it is we actually double laminate our ultralight. And at that point, you just add even a little bit more strength to it by capturing both sides. All right, next on our list with one of our key members to our wood crew in our shop is Hexply. One of the reasons that we like this, of course, it's Baltic core, so it's super strong. It's a great stiff structural wood and thin width, so you can still have a really strong shelf and a supporting structure. But the top of it is an anti-slip surface, and then the backside comes pre-laminated. So if you went out and you had to laminate a sheet of wood, you're paying whatever market price is right now for Baltic, which might be 80 bucks or so. Then you're buying, to laminate the back side of this sheet, another 100 bucks or 80 bucks for a sheet of laminate plus the front side. So at the cost that we have for these guys on our website, you're saving a ton of money just through laminating plus the time. But this is a killer product. If you would like to see some samples, we can ship out some small, like 2-inch by 2-inch samples so you can touch, feel, and see it. But we have this ready to go and ship from our site, so if you want any more information on it. But we do have these products available if you would like to put some of these in your van or your trailer, so check out our website and give us a call if you want some more specs or some information about the wood that we carry.